Folks, you are looking at my KitchenAid mixer and we're going to make some pizza. This is not going to be any ordinary pizza. This pizza we're going to cook out on the grill. But I got to make my dough first. That's why we're looking at this mixer. So I got some yeast generated here. I got me some flour. I'm going to add some salt. I'm going to add a little bit of virgin oil. And I'm going to, not in any recipe, I've never seen one, but I'm going to put some garlic in there. But yeah, don't get the salt in there with the yeast right away because it'll just kill the yeast. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to dump this flour in here. I'm going to put about half of it for right now. And then I'm going to dump, maybe I should stir this yeast because it's still a little powdery there. See how it's foaming up? It's working. That's what you want. You want it to foam up like that. Good for septic tanks. And yeah, I'm going to put about half of this. There's a little bit more than half. Now let's get a little mix on it. Now you should never do this, but I do it all the time. Take the bowl off. Just making a little pizza here, okay? So you want that dough to come up off the bowl when you're mixing it. Clean when you wash the bowl. Now I'm going to add some stuff. Usually I'll add this stuff beforehand, but I'm going to sprinkle a little Himalayan salt, pink salt. A little bit of oil. You should put like at least a tablespoon, maybe 2 to 2 3/4 tablespoons. But this is not a big recipe, so let's get that off of there. And I did the garlic. I need a little bit. So. See, now it's a little dry in there, so I will do a little. This dough looks great. Okay. We'll push this out of the way. Put this in the picture. Some of that non-stick cooking spray. And then we're just going to plop that big wad of dough right in the bowl. Folks, when you take a look at that yeast, see how it's all foamed up? That's what you want. You want that stuff. Let's get the dough out, see how it looks. My oven actually has a proof setting so you can proof dough, which is really cool. I forgot all about it actually. I'm gonna get the dough. Oh my gosh. Ooh. Yeah, see? Pretty much doubled in size, and that's a beautiful thing. Of course it's going to stick. Of course you're going to stick. Sprinkle a little on. Sprinkle a little. Okay. I'm not going to be tossing this up in the air. I'm not an Italiano, okay? Just making a pie, okay? Not a whole lot of dough here. I just want a little bit of pizza, okay? Maybe I might make a hamburger after I get done eating this, okay? I got an appetite most of the time. You guys should know that by now. Never trust a skinny cook, right? Some of this ragu pizza sauce ain't the top of the line. Top of the line is making it yourself, right? But I'm gonna put that on there, set it up a little bit, and we'll throw it down. Some people put way too much sauce, and when you bite into pizza, it's like a sauce sandwich. Spits out everywhere. Not good. And sometimes you can put too little. And all you got is a big piece of breaded cheese covered bread. You just gotta put it on right. You don't have to recognize that crust either. Just put it on. Just put it all on. What we got here is some mozzarella, and yes, it's a block. I'm gonna have to do that. This might be a lot of work, but and it is. I think I'm gonna slice it. See, and you just cut it thin like that, and just put it on there. I think this is the Chicago way of doing it, not the Detroit way, but I'm from Detroit, therefore it is. Well, that's gonna be good. The only thing I'm gonna put on top of this is pepperoni and black olives. That's all I want. And that's all I need. Because I'm the only one eating this thing. Why should I need more? Pepperoni is great on pizza because it kind of like fries the pizza a little bit. Because it's so greasy. You know, that's kind of the appeal to pizza to me, is it fries up on top. If you're not using pepperoni, you're generally not going to get that effect. Now, the question is, can I open up this pepperoni? Here's the pepperoni, Hormel. And when you put pepperoni in a pizza, I love black olives. Just love them. It's better when I get it on the pizza though, huh? Okay, so let's go to the grill. So now I'm just going to place it in the grill. Alright, so the Canon camera battery wore down. I do have an extra one, but I don't know how much of a charge is on it, so I'm just using the Chinese grill camera. And that pizza is looking great. Looking good. Yep, just enjoying the sunshine and a little bit of the cheap stuff. But let's take a look. We're floating at about 350 according to this this thermometer, which I don't really trust anyhow. But oh yeah, looking good. Okay, by virtue of the jury's decision and the power invested in me by the state, I hereby declare this pizza incarcerated to my mouth with no possibility of parole for life. Because this looks good. Let's take a look at that crust underneath. Oh yeah, golden brown. Sweet. Even got a little smoke from the hickory. I'll just close that a little bit and let that sit there. Court adjourn until the smoking is done. And here we go. We got some grilled pizza. Put it on. Oh yeah. Would you look at that? Okay, do some squares. Looks great. Just look at the beauty of that pizza. I think the most important ingredient in pizza is the cheese. If you got crap cheese, cheap cheese, it's not going to be good. But I guarantee you one thing, this pizza will be good. All right, let's go for a taste of this barbecue grilled pizza. Crust is beautiful. Here we go. Mmm. Luigi would be proud of me. Off the chain. Good stuff. You guys want to watch me eat the whole thing? Mm. Mm. All right, folks. Until next time, I'm Paulie.